The courtroom at the Court of Appeal Abuja Division is filled with lawyers and supporters of OSUN State Governor Adelek and his predecessor Adegboyega Oyetola, who are here to witness proceedings in the appeal filed by Adelek, challenging the judgment of Election Petition Tribunal in OSUN State, which nullified his election as governor of the state. At the resumed hearing, counsel to Adelek tells the court that a member of the panel, who is also a chief magistrate, did not air her opinion during the judgment delivery, but only appended her signature. Counsel to Oyetola, however, argues that signing of the judgment and not making any comment afterwards does not make the judgment invalid. In his defense, however, Onyechi Ikpeazu held that results stored in the back-end server are inconsistent and not reliable, as they can be affected by internet connectivity and battery life of the beavers used to upload the results. On the cross-appeal filed by Oyetola challenging the documents of Adelek, the court held that it has been addressed in a previous judgment as such was an anomaly.
In this respect, on the issue of the alleged forgery of a testimonial, which saw OSUN State appearing on a testimonial for a person who had been educated before the creation of OSUN State, the Court of Appeal held in that case that it was a simple error, that he ought to have gone back to rectify the anomaly, but not having done that, that it wasn't an issue of forgery.
That everything has gone well for both sides. All the appeals, including the cross appeals, have been heard, and we're all in court when the court adjourned the matter to a date to be communicated to all of us. For judgment.
INEC on its part insists that there was no overvoting during the OSUN election.
Just as with the presidential election, you will agree that all the results have not also been transmitted. So if you get a result, a CTC today, and tomorrow another person applies, he may get a different data because the data is going in bits. So you cannot, because of Section 62 of the Electoral Act that authorizes INEC to update the data from time to time.
The court also reserved judgment in the PDP and INEC appeals. INEC had declared Adelek a winner of the OSUN governorship election, but in a split decision of 2-1, the Election Petition Tribunal invalidated the election and declared Oyetola as winner. Martia Umar, Trust TV News, Abuja.